Okay, so I'm going to make a first link to a page on the portfolio. So I was going to want to click Add Page and then put a title in under New Page. I'm going to call mine Brandalism and click on Create Page. It's now going to take me into that page that I've created. And there's a list here for building your page. You've got text, photo grid, various different choices if you want to use them. So I'm going to click on text. I'm going to add some text. I'm going to paste mine in. I'm recreating this portfolio, so I've already got everything already written out. I'm just pasting the text. And then under here, under the text banner, we can change width, alignment, things like that. I can also change the font, and I can also choose a size for that typeface. I'm going to go with 28. So at this point I can choose to change the container size for the text, and that will change how the text looks on there. You're going to want to make a note of these things so everything is consistent on your portfolio. I'm going to now upload a picture or an image. Again, I've got these already ready. I'm just going to use width tool to just place that nicely with the text. I'm just doing it by eye, but I would look at the actual amount and copy and paste the amount rather than just using the eye, but it's up to you. Okay, I'm just going to paste in information for that, and the next image. So now I've got everything laid out exactly how I want. I'm just going to preview the page and see what it looks like to anybody visiting. Okay, I'm happy with that. If anybody wants to see the finished portfolio, I'll put a link on the screen now.